For bore cleaner, I'm going to use some military grade. And I switched from Gibbs to Lucas CLP. Why? I think it's just as good as a Gibbs, probably better. But I'm not driving 30 miles to where I could only find the Gibbs before, so you know, the price of gas. So Wuhan virus, I just use what I have. What's local to me. Okay, so in order to take the slide down, I like to take my hand and wrap it around here, get it about to there. Gonna see the slide move forward a little bit, off it comes, and then you can disassemble. Gonna get up my little military grade cleaning brush, put a little bore cleaner on that, scrub these parts down under that barrel, things like that. The carbon fouling was, and anyways, I think everybody knows how to clean a gun. But let me put this stuff down and we'll get things oiled down, cleaned up, brushed off, and fresh CLP on it and back together, and I'll be back. Nice and clean that barrel is. I think I might have a little black carbon fouling. I gotta find my bore brush for this. Just ran a patch with some bore cleaner down it, then a CLP patch, but it looks like there's a little black crud right around the beginning of it, doesn't it? Yeah, that's not good. Let me get a bore brush. Okay, clean that. I scrubbed that. You know, I'm not sure if that's just shadows or the milling marks. I think I really need an endoscope, but I got it as clean as I can, so. You know, maybe I didn't get all the cosmoline off of it and it kind of carboned onto there. Not sure. But anyways, not making excuses, but gonna let it sit for a while with some bore cleaner on it. And come back and just keep running the brush down around and trying to spin it in there, so. Not sure if I'm just seeing shadows or actually it looks like carbon dirty fouling. One word of caution I can tell you, my daughter did this by accident on our Taurus PT709, is putting the recoil spring in backwards. The big round end goes out. The flat end goes on the step right down here at the very bottom on the barrel. Don't mess that up, otherwise the gun will lock up. You're gonna have to bring to a gunsmith. That gun is so smooth, man. It's actually easier to take down and clean than the Taurus PT99 I have. The one I find difficult is the 709. Anyways, hope you like. Enjoy. Keep your gun clean, because it'll save your ass. Thanks for viewing. Please like, share, subscribe, and don't forget to hit that bell notification for future videos. Thank you.